Today's July the 1st. G and I got up and it was raining like crazy, so we decided to come on the back porch.
Is our coffee?
Yeah, we got our coffee, our new coffee pot here, and a couple of full cups. Watching it rain. You hear the thunder in the background. It kind of rain might have stopped now, but it's going to come again. I hear thunder. We got a little chipmunk in the yard. I'm going to try to get him. Gordon's doing good. I think my lens fogged up.
He better not go get apples. See him? He's in the grass. He's on the... There he comes.
There he is.
He's coming over towards Bronwyn's plum tree. He's just hopping in the grass. Hi, Mr. Chipmunk. Look at that. He's just eating away.
I don't know if I got him. Where is he?
He's over here, honey, by the hose. In front of Bronwyn's plum tree. He's in the grass. He's eating like crazy. See him?
No.
I don't know how to explain it. Take your three sticks that you got and go straight on over. He's sitting in the grass, eating the plums.
Well, he can eat the plums there because they fell off the tree.
There he goes. He's hopping. See, this is a big snake, but I can crawl over him. There I go. I'm going to come under here. There's always plums under here.
Yeah, I sure wish I could find him.
He's under the three prongs of the wood.
Oh,
that
he
you
is?
put up.
Well, I can zoom down there.
He's got his head up. Oh, Mr. Squirrel's by our apple tree, and he just climbed up the apple tree.
Squirrel?
He did. He just jumped on up. He's going to get the apples.
A squirrel?
Yes.
Oh, man. Get my apples.
There he is. He's coming down. He's in the middle of the. See him?
No.
He's right in the center of the apple tree. He's sitting there eating an apple.
Golly.
They're not even ripe yet, and he's sitting there eating them.
Where's
there goes the
all the
chipmunk?
chipmunk?
Why we got some? Look at what's on your window. He just flew. He was just there. Oh, that's a baby bird. All of this within 1 minute. That's too much. It's a great day to be alive. Thank you. That's little Mr. Woodpecker. He's going to be big like his daddy. Turn around and eat your suet. You can do it. Hey, that rhymes. Come on, go on down. Come on. Go, that's it. Go all the way down. Oh, you silly thing. There's Mr. Squirrel, Greg. He's coming down the apple tree. He's on the ground by the
The apple tree that was by the swimming pool.
Yes. He's standing up straight. He says, oh, I think I'll go check out the tomatoes.
Well, they're going to have a feast. My millions of blackberries and my
There he
plums.
goes. See him?
Oh,
There he
there's
goes.
a squirrel.
Oh, maybe there's peaches. I wonder if the peaches are grooming.
That's right. I got peaches that are getting bigger too. I'm afraid I'm failing at this camera business.
We got birds in our blackberries.
No way. Aw.
They were flying in and out. But they're saying they're red. They're not black. We like them black because then we can poop on the cars.
Look at this bird's upside down.
Oh, I told you you could do it. That's it. Now you can poke in there. Go on. Keep poking. That's why Daddy smells peanut butter. Because that's peanut butter and fruit.
Yeah.
Blueberries.
Suet. A lot of action. I need a... My camera lens keeps fogging up. I better wait until it clears up.
Now what's that on top?
Oh man, I'm a stupid cameraman today. There he is. You can tell it's raining by looking at the lake.
Yeah. I know what we can get Bronwyn and Bram for Christmas, Greg.
What?
Get them each, the same identical thing. Get them each a camera and a nice photo album and a certificate to Walgreens drugstore to get them cut and tell them that they both have to take pictures of nature.
Well, that's a good idea. Pictures of nature.
Picture of nature.
They'd be good at that.
Flowers,
They're,
trees, anything.
We went just like this morning. We seen the squirrels and chipmunks and Natalie gets little rabbits once in a while and puts them back. All kind of birds. Oh yeah, Gary saw a. He lifted up a board or a brick. He said there was a frog underneath it.
Oh yeah. Oh, I know what it was. It was that cedar railing that went around this deck.
Yeah.
I know why that squirrel went to that tree. He says, you got a limb. On this last couple of weeks of the virus and being locked in, people are doing all kinds of things.
I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but I got this tree here. It's got some nice apples. It probably got another month before they get ripe, but it's only July. There's our neighbor's new deck. They couldn't wait to put a railing on it to have parties, so they're having them regardless. And you can't see their pool. They got a pool this year. Above ground, something like we had. Sue, I
You want to
got
know something funny?
2 peach trees. The peaches are about half size. They're going to be coming in. My plum trees, just got a little bit of plums left, but most of them are gone.
Over by Bronwyn's
Oh,
swing.
there's a squirrel over there.
He's coming down, but he's going after the little one that went down before him. So now we've got 2 squirrels. I saw a little one flop down there, and this one
There
was
he
hanging
is.
on his upside down, watching him. It must be his baby. Mr. Robin getting his worms. That's pretty cool.
What's that underneath the plum tree? Oh, it's a bird, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a robin.
Well, it's getting darker. I guess it's gonna storm again.
There's a little chickadee.
Oh, there was a chickadee on there this time, but I missed him.
His tail went right over the house. There he goes. Woo, 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 woo.
This got seeds in it, the middle one.
Yes. They're not out on the tray. It's going into the concrete block. It's safe in there and I don't get wet. You know what I think, Craig? I think I'm gonna climb up to this other one. He's eating nuts. Oh, great. He's so sweet.
Is he still there?
Yeah, he's right in the center one. He's eating nuts.
Oh,
Really.
the center one?
Can you see him? Oh, God, I wish you could.
Yeah.
Come here.
No, I see him.
How did he know we put nuts on?
I guess he could smell it. I think I miss him. Is he
He's all
still?
the way closest to this house. He's on this side of that rubber towards the house.
The drum with the water sprinkler on it?
Yes. Oh, there he goes. He's going on the sprinkler. See him?
No.
Honey, he's right here. See him?
Okay.
He's on the water sprinkler.
Yeah.
Do you see him?
Yes.
If not, you can come right here. He's a beautiful shot.
Oh, I see him.
He's eating. He's eating those nuts.
They're not nuts, honey.
Well, whatever.
I think they'd go to waste. He's filling up his little cheeks with the sunflower seeds.
Isn't that sweet? He's so cute. He's tinier than he looks when he's running.
Mm-hmm.
You could be where I'm at. Can I take it?
Yeah.
What do I do? Nothing?
Oh, it's running. Just try not to jerk it too much.
What is his tail?
Yeah, don't let him see it. And you can put the camera where you don't have to have your head by the camera. Just move the camera.
It's on the
You
zoom.
can put it against the window.
I got it right on the squirrel. It's on zoom, isn't it?
A little bit. Yeah, he doesn't seem to be scared of the camera. You can get that string out of the way.
It ain't in the way. It's right on the squirrel, Greg, because it's on zoom.
I see his little tail. He's just stuffing his little cheeks.
Oh my God.
His cheeks look big.
Uh-huh. Whoop, I'm all gone. He was on Zoom, so it was really hard for me to get it.
Well, honey, this thing right up here is the zoom.
I know. He went off that way.
Kind of hide a little bit.
He's all the way to the back. He's stuffing his mouth, Greg. It's so funny. When he jumps off, maybe you could lower this window, the top window. Whoop, there he is. There he is.
Oh, he jumped down.
He's gonna run all the way home.
There he goes.
That's so funny. He's so adorable. Did you see his little cheeks, Greg?
Mm-hmm.
He just went boop, boop, boop. He'll be back. Yes, I see your baby on the ground. Are you going to eat all of them? Why, our chipmunk was eating them, and now you're there. I don't know.
Little Caesar's Pizza on the way to the lake.